Good morning from Coron town here on Busuanga Island in the Philippines. This morning we're going on a full day tour of snorkeling, kayaking and island hopping around all the islands here in the Coron Islands.
So we have rented our gear, we've got our snorkels, our flippers, and we've also rented the kayak for the day, but I assume he'll get it. So we're ready to go. Stop number 1 is the Green Lagoon and the Coral Gardens. It's one stop for 2 stops.
This here is the Blue Lagoon on the Coron Island. We have an hour to explore here in our kayak. It looks pretty cool, although I think an hour might be too long, but the rocks are awesome. Like, I've never seen rocks and cliffs like this before in my life. Awesome to see.
This is absolutely insanely gorgeous. Like, the photos will never be able to do this place justice. It is insane.
So we've been for our kayak, we've had the drone up, got some cool shots, and now we're going to go in for a snorkel. If you're not great at swimming, you can wear a life jacket and join the train for snorkeling. I was wanting to jump off the front, but they've stolen my space. Finished at the first spot, which was the Green Lagoon, and the snorkeling and the kayaking was all amazing.
Do we know what the next stop is?
No.
Can't remember what the next stop is. It's a surprise. We pushed it in too much, so now he's just pushing me along. Keep up, darling.
He's not up here.
He can literally stand up. Make it out like he's got a hard task. The 7-Eleven on wheels.
Wheels?
No, not wheels. The 7-Eleven on water? On paddle? I think it's ready for lunch. Oh, wow, it is lunchtime.
What an awesome place to eat lunch.
So for lunch we've got some watermelon, pineapple, a banana, rice, noodles, I'm not really sure what the sauce is, and some fish. Again, not really sure what the fish is.
Pretty good, that.
That's us had our lunch. It was absolutely fantastic. Not one thing on that plate I didn't like. Did you like the fish? I liked the fish too. It was nice.
It's got to be one of the best places I've ever had lunch. Just amazing.
The mango ice cream. Quite
It's
cute.
like ice cream. That is ice candy.
They call it ice candy.
Yes. Yes, ma.
That's nice.
Oh, that is nice and refreshing. So there you go, our next stop is Sunset Beach, and it's going to take us 25 minutes to get there.
We have arrived at Sunset Beach, and there's also a snorkeling area over there, and we can go on a trip in our kayak. So we're going to go kayak first. We have found our own little secret beach. It's so tiny, but it's so cute. And it has cute little shells too. I say little, it's actually massive. Cute, massive shells. So we have been for our little kayak over to our little secret beach that we found, and now we are sitting in the shade because the weather has turned out remarkably better than we had anticipated. So we're not quite prepared for the full sunshine all day. We're starting to burn quite a bit, so we're sheltering in the shade.
So far though, the Philippines is the most beautiful place we have been, bar none. Just amazing. And we've only been here a day, we've still got a whole month to go. We are back in the kayaks at our second last stop of the day as we are entering Secret Lagoon. You cannot swim here because there is apparently loads of jellyfish and like box jellyfish in the rocks.
And this is Secret Lagoon.
We have arrived at our final stop of our tour today, and probably the most known. Although you may not know that it's here, you've probably seen a reel or a short video of this lake. It's said to be one of the clearest lakes in all of Asia and possibly all of the world. So we've got to walk up like a hill slash mountain, he's calling it, about 180 steps, and then about 205 steps down to the lake on the other side. We can go swimming in it. It's mandatory to wear a life jacket because it's mostly fresh water as opposed to salt water.
This is the starting point of the stairs, so let's get ready to climb.
Pag medyo babalik na ngayon pangit eh. Igwapis ka, kaya medyo utos ka na. Ngayon talaga sa mga tour guide, tip na konti lang.
We made it to the view deck at the top. Massive line for photo, so we're not really that bothered.
Yeah. Maganda na tayo dito, baby.
Now we need to go back down a load of steps over the other side to go down to Kayagan Lake.
You can see the Green Lagoon. I meant to call it a Blue Lagoon, but that's the top.
This is not the Green Lagoon.
What's it called?
Kayagan Lake.
Oh yeah, I went to call it the Blue Lagoon in the first place, to be honest.
The Green Lagoon was our first stop.
Brilliant.
Aimee's not great on locations, you know. I'm sure you're getting the theme of that if you've watched other videos on this channel.
We have made it to Kayagan Lake. It is absolutely beautiful and it's not too busy. So win-win.
Wow, it's really, really cool here, but it's nowhere near as clear as I'd seen on video, so I don't know if it's maybe time of year or if we've got the wrong lake, but definitely not as clear. But the rocks under the water are absolutely awesome.
It is beautiful here though, but like Lee said, it's not like, I wouldn't say it's any clearer than the water that we've already been in today, to be honest with you, but it's fresh water, so at least you're not getting salty water in your mouth. And it is beautiful. So yeah.
This is the final stop on our tour. We're going to head back to the boat soon, and then we'll be back to Coron town to go out for food tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to rent a scooter and explore Baswanga Island. And then at night we have a Firefly mangrove kayaking trip. So make sure to hit subscribe to the channel to check out that video coming in the next few days.
When we're as red as beetroots. Oh yes.